Hello everyone, my name is Kienan. Today I'll talk to you about animals that fly. Many animals fly because it helps them to stay safe. And they can move around fast to find food. For example, bees fly to collect nectar from flowers. Then they use the nectar to make honey. Many animals fly to hunt other animals so they can eat them. For example, owls fly to hunt other small animals like mice. Some animals fly to escape from other animals that want to eat them. For example, small birds fly to escape from cats and dogs. Many birds make their homes in tall trees. Some birds, like stork, make their nest in high places like the top of tall poles or buildings. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.